helping you how to make and use an organic pesticides. These ants are not vegetables ants, so therefore is it harmful to vegetables. They make a nest and sometimes live in the area where there are fruits. This other branch are the result of yesterday's application of our organic pesticides. The results are powerful and effective, that's why I share this method. The other problem are leaf miners. Leaf miner causing a tunnel and a trail. Now we will make our organic pesticides. Just follow and do it in your home. Now let's apply to the affected area. Apply this every 3 days so that there is no leaf miners and other pests. Apply at early morning or at the evening. After 1 hour to 2 hours, you will notice the inactivity of the ants. After 1 day, this is the result. No more ants, and the existing trail leaf miner is still there in the leaves, but the other leaves will no more be affected. Thank you for watching my cob backyards.